Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. Can you use your Novo card internationally? I know that this is a really important question, especially if you're planning on traveling or living abroad. So, I'm going to do my best to answer it as thoroughly as possible. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was traveling in Europe and I needed to pay for a hotel room. I didn't have any cash on me, so I tried to use my credit card. But my card was declined. I was so embarrassed and frustrated. I didn't know what to do. Luckily, I was able to figure it out eventually, but it was a stressful experience. I don't want you to have the same experience. That's why I'm here today to tell you everything you need to know about using your Novo card internationally. Before we get into the details, let's talk about what a Novo card is. Novo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial products, including checking accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. Novo cards are designed to be used for everyday spending. They're accepted at most merchants worldwide. Now, let's get to the question at hand. Can you use your Novo card internationally? The answer is yes. You can use your Novo card in most countries around the world. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Foreign transaction fees. Novo charges a foreign transaction fee of 3% on all international purchases. This means that if you make a purchase for $100, you'll be charged $103. Currency conversion fees. Your bank may also charge you a currency conversion fee when you use your Novo card internationally. This fee will vary depending on your bank. ATM fees. You may also be charged an ATM fee when you withdraw cash from your Novo account using a foreign ATM. This fee will vary depending on the ATM you use. Tips for using your Novo card internationally. Here are a few tips for using your Novo card internationally. Be aware of the fees. Before you use your Novo card internationally, be sure to factor in the foreign transaction fees and currency conversion fees. Notify your bank. It's a good idea to notify your bank that you'll be traveling internationally. This will help to prevent your card from being declined. Carry a backup payment method. It's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, such as a credit card or cash, in case your Novo card is declined. Use ATMs that are affiliated with your bank. If you need to withdraw cash, try to use ATMs that are affiliated with your bank. This will help to avoid ATM fees. Overall, you can use your Novo card internationally, but there are a few things you need to be aware of. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about using your Novo card internationally. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.